Today, we'll talk about flashlight. Enjoy this.
Yes, so we're gonna get a flashlight, and then our place. And then ours are places of flashlights. And these are the trees upside down. All the lights are the trees. Huh, Mr. Carr?
Yes, so we did it again. We're also all over the place. This is trees all over the place about this. About flashlights. Because over the trees, because the flashlights are wrecking it down. Anyways, let's do it again. Of trees upside down, huh, Mr. Puppet?
Yes, the tree is like this. All of us like this. I can't see. There you go. So the flashlights are back. And they're backwards of the gun of our place. And the trees are the best thing up in the Pacific Ocean. I like this our place and the trees. Huh, Mr. Carr?
Yes, so we do it again. This is the trees upside down. Looks like these are trees. Also, Big Baby, ho. Also, Big Baby. Back there, Mr. Carr. I mean, Mr. Puppet.
Okay, I gotta go. Bye. Back to you, Mr. Hackerman.
Let's see. Okay, have a good weekend. Bye.